All right, so I'm gonna try these out right here. This is organic green lentils by 1 Degree Organic Farms. All ingredients from farmers we know. All right, so feels good about that. So I'm just gonna read the instructions on the back on how to cook them. They should be somewhere around here. But right here it says, in medium pot, bring 4 cups of water to a boil. Add 1 cup of rinsed lentils, reduce heat and simmer until desired tenderness, 25 to 50 minutes. Salt after cooking to prevent toughness. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these up and I'm gonna show you what they look like, and then I'm gonna make them. I think I tried to attempt to open this earlier and didn't do it right. So there's a proliferated opening on this. So here's what the lentils look like. I'm gonna go ahead and cook them to see how well they taste. So that's them. Let me go ahead and put these in a pot and get these cooking. All right, so this is the beans after they're done. Nice consistency right here. Pretty nice.